Kivy, check if pop-up is currently showing, because Kivy Popup isn't really modal, back button / keyboard. I bind to window on _key _down in my root widget to handle Android's back button. Modal view, and its child pop-up, are not really modal, they don't handle the keyboard at all, hence the back button is also not handled. If I inherit from pop-up and do a bind to window on _key _down which returns true, then I can handle the back button from within my inheriting class. At this point I can either unbind and on _dismiss or delete the widget. Can't seem to get deletion to work reliably, but that's not a separate question. The problem is that this partitions out my handling of the back button across all my screens. I use a screen manager, rather than in my root widget. So I'm looking for a way to check, from my root widget, if any pop-ups are currently open, preferably without iterating through the widget tree as won't scale too well. Please advise on the options I'm thinking of below as well as any other suggestions. Option 1. One single pop-up widget initialized in the root widget, which all screens will modify / open when necessary. This would necessitate binding / unbinding the buttons of that pop-up, of course. The root widget can then easily check this single object to see if it's open or not. Option 2. Handle keyboard in a class inheriting from pop-up widget, and unbind the keyboard at the end. Problem of splitting back button handling to many files / screens, and building up of old pop-up widgets over long use of the app. Option 3. Question mark.
Assuming you are running an Kivy application, kivy.app, you can do the following within your back button callback. The pop-up will prepend an object of kind pop-up to the window object within its open method, default behavior of add_widget, which assumes insertion index of 0. In slightly more complex situations, multiple pop-ups or using the inspector module, iterating through all children works as well.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.